Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool. I'm just right here in my hand, and basically what this is a floating shelf. So you can basically just apply this onto like your wall, wherever you guys want to. If you guys don't want to put like maybe like your plants or your spices, or even like an Amazon Echo Dot or Echo Show device, you can definitely put that on here. As long as it does not exceed like the 3 pounds limit, then you should be fine. But the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, Fytz design, and this one actually comes with a set of 2 of these. You can see this is basically what it looks like. So let's actually open up to show you guys what's included inside the package first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like. And then right here they provide you guys the instruction manual to teach you guys how to install it. They do give you guys 2 options right here. So whether you guys want to use the no drilling option or the drilling option, that's up to you guys. If you guys do use the drilling option, it can support up to 10 pounds. But if you guys use the no drilling option, it can support up to 3 pounds. So if I want to put like a lot more heavier stuff on the actual floating shelf, you definitely want to use the drilling option. But let's take out the product first. So when we take it out, you're going to see that this is basically what it looks like. When you guys feel the material on here, it definitely is a high quality material. If we take a look at the back part here, they do give you guys the option to actually drill it in if you guys want to, or you guys can use the stick on option that I mentioned as well, where it doesn't require you guys to drill anything on the wall. So you basically just want to attach this onto the wall, either using the drilling option or you can just stick it on just like this. But definitely both of them has the option for you guys to drill it onto the wall and make a hole if you guys want to as well. That's up to you guys if you guys want to use that option. The reason why I got this is because I want to use no drilling option, so I can actually put stuff on top. And see right here, they provide you guys all the accessories that you probably need to actually install it and set it up. Let's take it out. Alright, so these are basically all the tools that's included for you guys. Let me take it out to show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so they provide you guys the wall mount option where you can actually stick it on inside the back part. And they do have a little leveler that's built on, so that way you guys know whether or not it's actually level or not. So one right here and one right here. So you guys have one for each. And then right here they provide guys a bunch of screws and mounting accessory that's used to drill it on the wall if you guys want to use that option. If you guys don't want to use option, if you guys want to use option like I mentioned for the way how I'm planning to use it, you guys definitely use the no drilling option. And the way how you guys use that is just by sticking this onto the back of the product and stick it onto the wall. So I believe all you guys need to do is just take out one of these or 2 of these. So one right here and one right here, and just stick it onto the wall and hold it for like a few seconds. Make sure it stays on pretty well. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm going to show you guys how to install it and show you guys when actually it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so here we have the product. So we just got the tape that was from here and we sticked it onto here. So what we want to do first is to get some rubbing alcohol and wipe it onto the wall from where we want to put it. And then we can actually stick this on. Alright, so I'm going to put on some rubbing alcohol on this first. Alright, so we got position. Eventually we are using this lever right here to actually put it on. So what I want to do is just push it in against the wall after we have the tape in the back. Alright, so I'll press and hold it for 15 seconds. And once you guys have it here for 15 seconds, you guys want to leave this for 24 hours before you guys put anything on top. So it's been 15 seconds, so I can let go. And we can just leave this for 24 hours before we put anything on top. And now I want to do the same thing for the other one as well. Alright, so we're going to stick this on here first. Alright, and then we'll do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so once we finish installing it, you can see that this is basically what it looks like on this side, and this is what it looks like on this side. So we're gonna wait 24 hours for it to fully stick on first, and then we'll come back and check on it tomorrow after 24 hours and put stuff on top. Alright, so it's been over 24 hours now. Let's put some stuff on here. So that's the first one. Let's go to the second one right here. Alright, so once we finish putting it on, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product. You definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use. If you guys can see the whole process of installing it and setting up is actually pretty straightforward. Literally all you're going to do is just stick the tape on the back and you guys can just stick onto the wall. If you guys do plan on using the drilling option, that's probably a little bit more work. But you can definitely use that option as well if you guys want to actually carry a lot more weight. Like I mentioned, for the no stick option, you guys only go up to 3 pounds, whereas the drilling option can go up to 10 pounds limit. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we do unboxing and testing out the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys just want to make things a lot more cooler or like give you guys that kind of modern look to it. Especially if you guys want to put maybe like your Echo devices or your plants on here, it actually looks really cool to add it onto the wall. So that way you don't have to put it on the floor or anywhere else. But obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.